Prescott in the gun. They look like they're going to blitz. Here comes everybody. Slant in the direction. Cooper caught it on the bounce. Off the defender. Cooper walks into the end zone. Touchdown, Cooper. Cowboys win. How else would you settle this game besides the ball bouncing off a defender into Amari Cooper's hands and him walking in for the winning score? How else?
Talked about a few things last night. I shared with you how much you guys inspire me and the coaches every day with how you work and how you compete. And we talked about that word relentless. It's going to require mental toughness. And I've been around this game for a long time as a player and a coach. I don't know that I've seen a better example of that word relentless. Have success, keep coming. Have some adversity, keep coming. Okay, that I did today. It was not perfect by any means. Not perfect on offense, not perfect on defense or in the kicking game, but I'll tell you what, that relentless spirit was at the forefront of everything we did. It was a big time effort, but we got work to do. The best thing we've done all year long is we learn from our experiences. We build on the good, we clean up the bad, and we keep going. That's what we need to do. Enjoy yourself tonight. Take care tomorrow. I'll see you on Tuesday. Okay, hell of a job, boys. It's Dallas Cowboys on 3. Make it loud. 1, 2, 3.
Dallas Cowboys!